Just built my first parrot for a friend. Hadn't really done much copper work, but anyway, there it is. Basically, your spirits drip down into there, go down the tube, go all the way down here, run in. They come up. Up here is a 1-inch tube in the center. I got to clean it up a little bit. And the spirits run out of there, down to this cup, and out through and down into your thing. There's a little copper tube down in there. And if you notice, this is just above level there. So your trellis gauge or meter, floating hydrometer basically, floats up and down here, and you can actually see the level, and then the liquid pours out, runs down the tube into whatever receptor. But that's what a distillery parrot is all about, folks. Naturally, I built this for a friend. I don't do this kind of crap. Anyway, enjoy, YouTube.